Hi guys, let's decorate Azoka and Emeka's cake together. They had their traditional wedding sometime this month, and yeah, we made this beautiful fruit cake for them. So one thing I'm going to say in the process of this video is that my hands were thoroughly washed. One thing about the internet is they tend to pick up on, oh, wear glove, and they forgot that gloves traps dirt, but constantly washing your hands keeps keeps the whole thing clean and more hygienic. So there's water by my side. I wash my hands thoroughly over and over, and I kept changing. So yeah, let's get to the business. So yeah, cake covered. I believe you were saying what's going on, or you are seeing what's going on. The theme is a rustic wood effect. So I have this silicone mat I using to get that impression. So that was what I used to create it. And you see me inserting skewer on this cake. I know some people, they will just lower their cake without putting skewer. At the end of the day, you see your cake sliding or something, one thing going on. Always secure your cake with either skewer or doorway rod. It protects it. Do you understand? So I hope that helps. And then I use the upside down method because that's my easiest way to get my sharp edge. I can also work with the top side sharp edge thing, but this one, once I flip over and do my thing, I'm out. So yeah, this is the process, the calabash. Do you guys use dummy calabash, or you work with real cake? I don't think I've ever worked with a dummy calabash. I always use real cake because it's just a tiny piece of whatever cake, and you just have to go with it. So why are you adding dummy? Well, except the client didn't pay. So yeah, I mixed chocolate brown, um and then with my edible spirits painting, and this is the part where I get to wear my glove because I don't want stains going to my hand and all that. So yeah, also painting um the main cake. So here I didn't want it to have like that deep shade of brown, so I added up what's it called now, um a little orange, and this is me eating. Man cannot come against ever beg. So so the board also has this wood effect, so I created it too using the embosser or something, mold rather, to create it. So yeah, the doweling, this is an important part of cake making. If you do not dower your cake properly, utilo buy, that's like it's gone. Like your cake will be messed up, it will fall, it will start sinking in, a whole lot of things will be happening at the same time. And doweling, you do not dare not dowel your cake properly. And you guys see the beauty. Ouch. See the beauty. My hands are blessed. And that's it, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to follow me on Facebook, Choma Ijoma Michael, YouTube, Lomash Confectionery. Remember to share, like my videos, and always leave a comment. I am always here dishing you amazing recipes and decorated cakes. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video and share with you all.